Greetings from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am Dr. Vichila, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. Now we are going to discuss about the topic from Environmental Science and Engineering. The topic is noise pollution. Noise pollution, excessive or harmful level of noise in the environment which can impact human health and well-being. That is called noise pollution. Then causes of noise pollution. First one, transportation. That means traffic noise from cars, buses and trucks. Aircraft noise from planes, takeoff and landing. Train noise from railways. The next one, industrial activities. Machinery and equipment used in factories and construction sites. Hammering, drilling and other loud construction activities. Urbanization means increased population density leading to higher noise level, public events and nightlife. Household sources, appliances and tools such as lawn mowers, vacuum cleaners and music system. The last one is loudspeaker and public announcements. Consequences of noise pollution: health effect, hearing loss. Prolonged exposure to loud noise can damage hearing. Stress and anxiety, continuous noise can lead to increased stress level and anxiety. Sleep disturbances, noise can interfere with sleep quality and duration. Cardiovascular issues, that linked heart problems due to stress and lack of sleep. Cognitive impairments, that can affect concentration, memory and overall mental performance, especially in children. Quality of life, reduces the overall quality of life by affecting relaxation and enjoyment of living spaces. Environmental impact, disturbances to wildlife habitat and behaviors leading to change in local ecosystems. Then control measures for noise pollution. Urban planning, zoning laws to separate noisy industries from residential areas. Designing cities with quieter areas for leisure and homes. Noise barriers, constructing walls or barriers to block noise from highways and railways. Then regulations, implementing strict noise regulation and penalties for violations. Public awareness, educating the public about effects of noise pollution and ways to minimize it. Then use quieter machinery and appliances, promoting electric vehicles to reduce noise pollution from traditional engines. Modern tools used in pollution mitigation measures. Noise monitoring devices reduce the sound level meters to measure noise level in real time. Then continuous monitor systems that collect data for analysis. Soundproofing materials. Smart cities technologies that utilize sensor to monitor and manage noise pollution. Use mobile app that allow citizens to report noise issues. Automated traffic control systems, then community engagement platforms. Sustainable activity in pollution control. Sustainable pollution control refers to practices, technologies and policies designed to reduce pollution in a way that environmentally friendly, economically viable and socially acceptable. The goal of this is achieve long-term benefits without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Then key sustainable activities in pollution control, waste reduction and management that include recycling programs, then composting, then renewable energy adoption, solar and wind energy, bioenergy means utilizing organic materials as a renewable energy storage, reducing the waste and emissions. Thank you.